So we've started to upload media. So it'd be a good time now to download some media onto your computer so you can play around with it. There's a couple of links here. One is bit.ly/360media01. And the other one is gallery.theta360.guide. So the first one will lead you to this site. This was set up for a developer contest. It's a sample media and development resources. Go to the section for media assets and you can click through some of the rectangular images. These were made with a Ricoh Theta V. It's not the highest resolution camera. It was one that was used in this particular contest. So just click on it and then you can download it. There's a download link right here on the upper right hand side. And save it to your media. The other link goes to the gallery.theta360.guide, goes to this live site here. So this site is made for developers. It's a test bed. It's not a live site. So there's a bunch of different types of media on this site. The ones that we're going to work with, I think it's Osaka Station City, Parkfront Hotel, Hard Rock Cafe. These were made with a Ricoh Theta Z1, and these are the original images. These are not compressed or the quality hasn't been lowered. These are the ones actually from the camera. So these have a bit more data in it than normally. So how do you get it? So right click on something that is not directly on the image, view page source. Scroll down until roughly, and this one is line 89. There's a tag a-sky source equals media images, and then there's a number here. So click on that. Then you have the actual image. From here, you could right click on it and save the image to your local file structure. So I've already downloaded it, it's here. View the process again. So if you go to the site gallery.theta360.guide, we can take another one of the original images. Parkfront Hotel at Universal Studios. This image is huge, which is why it's taking a bit to download. View page source. So again, right click, view page source. And then you'll get the page source. Scroll down and look for a-sky. It's right here. Then there's the link to the actual image. Click on the link. You'll get the image in full resolution. So right now it's small for the browser, but then you save the image. You save it.